You're going to fail quite a lot as an entrepreneur. Enjoy that failure, try again. Oh, we accidentally succeeded. That's very much how we built Just Eat. When I was at school, I really loved design-based lessons. I loved art, but I'm just a terrible executor of art. So for me, it was like, what career is going to involve an element of design and art that's also business? I was like, oh, advertising. So I joined UEL through clearing. I've been trying to get a marketing career going just with my college course, but it didn't quite work. So clearing worked really well. What I really loved about those degrees was a focus on the practicality, having to learn to present, having to present documents, and having to present yourself. That skill set directly applied straight away. And then when I was going for job interviews after university, it was like, marketing degree, yes, can build websites. So I became one of the first people in the country to get an internet marketing job. One of the best things that can happen to you if you've done a marketing degree is to be given the opportunity to build a brand from scratch. We lent into the fact that it's fun, and we decided to build the brand as if it was an entertainment product. So if you can find something you love, it's not work if you're doing something you love and you're working with people that you care about. Beyond being a mentor in terms of doing talks and lunches, sometimes I get really involved in companies if I feel like they've got a good social benefit to them. Having a personality as a company is, I think, the most important thing. It's so difficult for people not to be boring. I admire anyone that manages to not be boring, to actually try and look different to everybody else. It's a risk, it feels like to people. But actually the biggest risk is being boring and not being noticed at all. And that's one of my biggest challenges as a mentor when I work with companies, is to try and just break the cycle of looking like everybody else in that sector. The key skills you need to succeed in the next 20 years is the ability to adapt. So I think as we go forward in life and culture does change, we need more life lessons around how do all of us individually find meaning. So it's come full circle from UEL to being a marketing director to now back to being a student of something else and having a second crack at it. For me, the passion comes from learning how to tell a story, be it as a marketing director or as a filmmaker.